Good morning, gang, and welcome back to the life of me, where I am trialing loads of ways to make money in the UK without having a job. And I've been doing it for 3 months, and I've got no backup plan, no backup like funds, anything like that. It's actually been going okay. I still haven't got a full-time wage, but I've been enjoying it. The only reason I've been able to do it is because of my mindset. So I travelled the world for 11 years. If you've been following, you know this. Last year when I was in Australia, I fractured my skull really badly as well. And afterwards, I was like, I know there's more to life. I've been traveling this long. Like, if I can't get any more visas and I have to go home, what am I going to do? So I said I'm going to go on a huge social media push. And for one whole year, I've been absolutely smashing it. And it's like consistency, a reel a day. Now I'm doing YouTube. Just whatever I can do, really. Any income stream possible. So I get paid on TikTok. It's not a lot, but I get paid on it. Get paid on Facebook, again, it's not a lot, and that's fine. I've been reselling. I'm trying to get into the YouTube monetization, and yeah, I'm just living the dream. Another thing as well, obviously, I've saved up whilst I was away. I've got money behind me, but since I've been home, my life, paying for all my inventory, all the things that I've been doing, I haven't lost any money at all. If anything, I've gained money. Not a lot, but as long as I'm not using my money, that's fine. And another thing that really helped me as well is because I didn't want to come home, pay for rent and start doing all of this. So, sorry, I'm out of breath. I'm just taking the dog for a walk. I was able to stay at my mum's, and I know I'm 34, you're probably thinking, oh, what a melt. But I've got things to do in life, and my mum appreciates the fact I'm trying to do things for me. She knows that I travelled for so long and my mindset and what I want to achieve, so she's let me stay, and that's really good of her. This weekend, Buzz, come on. This weekend we're actually looking after one of my mum's friend's dogs, and my mum's out today. So I'm just taking Buzz for a walk. I'll quickly show you him. Here he is. Hey? Go on then, go play. Go, 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 go. That's Buzz, and this is his shit. I'm just fucking carrying around poo. It's the weirdest thing I thought I'd be saying today. Oh, that's a lovely dog. Oh wow, it's like a German Shepherd. It looks like a... How cute is he? God, I'd love to have a German Shepherd. So yeah, that's a bit about me and what we're trying to do. I've been reselling, which is like my main goal. I am looking at buying a van at the moment as well, because I wanted to convert it into a camper van, which I've done 2 before, but with a friend. I've never done one on my own, so I do kind of know the process, but I'm no pro at all. And the tools that I've got, I've picked all of them up like for free over the last few months. Yeah, it'll be funny when I come to do it, but it will look good. I know what I want to do, and that'll be another way that I can make some money. I also have thought about reupholstering and getting, for example, like a table, and then me making that table into something really cool, like a poker table or anything like that really, and then just try and sell that for more. Buzz! Fucking idiot. They're always so happy on a walk, hey? So yeah, I've got a few mad ideas. I've been doing some car boots as well. But yeah, today it's just going to be me and the dog pretty much. So I'm just walking the dog now. I'm going to go home, give the dog some food. Then I'm going to the gym. I need to quickly go to the shop. I need some more fruit. Go home, eat healthy, and then I'll plan my day. I don't really know what to do today. I do need to list stuff, so I'll probably get home, do that straight away. Because it's Sunday, people will be at home, they might be flicking through. It doesn't need to be the evening today. See how that goes. I took quite a few photos yesterday for stuff I need to list, but it's a bit windy, so... Buzz, come this way. It's a bit windy, so I usually go and do it outdoors. But like this, they'll just blow everywhere. So I don't actually know what the process for today will be, but we will make it work whatever happens, and I'll let you know. So I finished at the gym, went to the shop, and now I'm going to cook up a Spanish chicken and rice, a chili con carne, a chili and basil stir fried chicken, pad krapao Thai, very nice, and a Thai green curry. Got all of the ingredients. Just going to get all of it ready. I'm going to cook up my salmon as well so I can have it with my eggs in the morning. I've got rice for each one, boiled eggs. Health, health, health. But I'm just going to get it all done. It'll be 8 meals or so, 4 days worth of food. Then I don't have to cook again. So that's the meal prep done. I made 4 meals, then I cooked my eggs and salmon for breakfast. I've got another tea. So my meal preps are done, that's the gym done. I did my washing, I put my laundry out to dry. I took the dog for a walk, cooked all my meals, and I've delisted and relisted 5 things. I did that whilst I was at the gym. So all I need to do now for the rest of the day is just list 10 new items. So it's just me and say hi, Buzz. There's one fly in here and he really wants to get it, and I hope he does, to be honest, because they're a nightmare. But yeah, that's my day. I haven't really got that much planned. Lucy will be home about 2 o'clock from work, and then she's going up north to her family's for 2 days. So it'll just be me and the dog, I think, for the day. Unless any plans come up, I doubt it will. But I will keep you updated with what I do. So we can win together, gang. That is what the goal is. To make as much money as we can, live a life of fun and adventure. And yeah, it really isn't a lot to ask. I've said this before, but it really isn't a lot. Happiness and a bit of money. And freedom. Freedom. What we all deserve. Like, I didn't make up my choice or my mind to be that one bit of spunk that came out and won the race. And then I got to my age and I then have to pay to live on a planet that you shouldn't have to pay for. God. Drives me mad. Anyway, I'm going to start doing my listing and stuff, get that done out the way, and then yeah, I don't really know what else I'll do today. It's nice, to be honest. It's actually been lovely today. I did do quite a bit earlier, but it feels like I've just had the day off. I've got all of my listings done, everything's done. I even just watched something for like 2 hours. I haven't done that in ages. But yeah, Lucy's gone up north now. My mum's gone out for the night, so it's just me and Buzz again. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start taking notes of products. I'm going to start researching. I said this before, I'm still new to this, you know, as much as I have an idea, know what I'm doing, I'm still a noob. But I want to be 99% better than everyone that's starting. I want to eventually be 95% better than people that have been doing it for a year, 2 years, 3 years. I want to be up there. I want to know everything. Like, if I see, for example, like, just because it says Ralph Lauren, it might be a polo, it might not be great. You might make £10. But if there's like a Ralph Lauren rugby jumper, or with like a big logo, something like that, I want to go on like eBay sold and stuff, see what is good, see what makes the most money. They're the ones I want to look out for. With like Nike and Adidas, I've been picking these things up because I get it so cheap. And because I want to list 10 things a day, I feel like I need to have the stock. But going forward, I really don't want to be picking stuff up just to list. Even if I only list 5 things a day, but they're all quality stuff where I'm going to hopefully get 15, 20, 25 pound, 80 pound or whatever in profit. They're the things that I want to start listing, even if it takes a bit longer to sell. So what I've decided to do is this week will be Ralph Lauren. So I can do it over a week. I don't have to do it all in one go, but I'll take Ralph Lauren, I'll put it in a note and I'll put fire. And next to that, I'll look at polos. And if the polos are okay, I'll put buy anywhere up to say £5, sells up to say £15, okay product, quick seller. The next one will be Ralph Lauren, say rugby top, good seller. Like, let's say eBay sold, there's like say 5 a day. The average sale price is like 60 quid. I'll put 60 quid, it's a banger. Pick up anywhere between, well, you know, like £15 or less. And then put the details into my notes. Next one could be a coat or a knit or a jacket, whatever it is, and just keep doing that. Just keep learning the process. Look on eBay sold, and if, for example, there's, say, a red and green long-sleeved Ralph Lauren rugby polo, let's just say that. It's got a big pony, and let's just say they're selling 4 a day, in kind of different colours or whatever, but 4 of those a day. they're each going between 40 and 80 quid. I know, wow, that's worth 60 quid. That's selling quite often. That's good. I'll then spend another day and I'll look through Vinted. And if somebody doesn't know the brand that well, or they're just trying to get rid of it sort of thing, and they've listed it for, say, £20, I'll send them an offer for 13. They'll obviously decline it. I'll do 14. They'll decline it. I'll do 15. Hopefully get it for about 15. Pay the postage. I've never ordered anything yet on Vinted, but I do want to do this at some point because I want actual products that I can see, that I can order. I don't want to be ordering bundles. So maybe I'll start doing that and I'll start sniping. Lots of people do it. And then that way, if I do get a product for, say, 15 quid, it's a bit of an investment to put in. But if I know at some point it's going to sell for like 60, it's good. Even if I take an offer and I get 50, it's still good. And it means I can sell 2 things a day rather than trying to sell like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because especially July was slow. Start of this month still hasn't been great, but we're only on the 2nd day. But I really need to get £50 in profit per day, taking out all the other bits from my life anyway. That makes 1,500 profit in a month. And that is my first target. I really want to get there as soon as possible to know that it is possible. And the only way that I can think to do it is to stay consistent, still list, 10 a day if I've got the stock. Keep building the store, because realistically now I've got like 300 items in my store across both. And I did have about 500 or so 10 days ago or 2 weeks ago. But because I was just doing cross-list and I wasn't listing anything new, when I was relisting a lot of my old stock, I sold quite a bit of my old stock. So that's all gone down. I realised as well, I didn't have 500 items listed because a lot of the items that I put on Vinted, for example, I actually cross-listed anyway and put onto eBay. So I didn't have 500 that I thought. I was just kind of adding them both up and thought it was around there. But I also had loads of like Simpson comics and Nuts magazines and things like that I had all of them individual on eBay. So I had hundreds of listings and they were selling well individually, but it was just annoying and I had to keep changing prices and stuff. So I thought, fuck this. Took all of them down and I just bundled all of it in one go. And I haven't sold them yet, but when they do, it's a good chunk of money in one go. Gets rid of the whole thing in one go. It's just easier. So I lost a lot of my listings that way. That's why it wasn't as much. So, yeah, that's one of my next goals, especially while I've got the time. Research, for example, barber 1 week. It'll come up on eBay sold. The wax jackets are really good and they sell, say, £130 average. Perfect. If I see one at a car boot for 20 quid, if I see one on Vinted for 15 quid because somebody doesn't know the price it should be or anything like that, buy it. And they're the things that are going to make me the money going forward. And that's what I want. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, that's just where we're up to. Dog has been out twice today, but I'll probably have to go take him again and then give him his food. I'll probably just go do that now. Yeah, I'll just go do that now. I can get some of my steps in as well. Maybe I'll reach my 10 for the day. Yeah, I'll go take the dog for a walk, give him his food. I'll get back into bed. I'll have a little research. I'll carry on watching the TV. And then, yeah. Tomorrow is Monday. Don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. Pretty much the same. It'll be the gym. I'll still be looking for a van. I'll still be researching. I'll still be listing. I will... What else do I need to do? Yeah, starting the research that I want to do. And... yeah, just go from there. I'll just go take him for a quick... Do you want to go for a walkies? Walkies? Do you want to go for a walkies? Walk? Fucking hell. Walkies? Do you want to go for a walk? A walk? Come on then. Finally. Lazy boy. Dogs must think we're the weirdest people. Just like, why the hell are we just following them around picking up their poos like it's something like energy for us? They must find it so strange. And they're like, oh, come on, I need to go for a walk. Let's take you out now so I can give you my poos. Fucking weirdos. They love it, don't they? Just being outside. Lucy really wants a dog. We'll get a dog one day. I want a proper dog, but she'll do most of the walking. Not that I don't mind going out, it's just, it's long, multiple times a day. They are a part of the family. What you found? What you found? Come on in. What I've done, I've got a note in my phone. So brands and styles. Oh, sorry. I'm doing Ralph Lauren now, so I'm looking at that. And all of these ones in yellow, I can still pick them up, but like caps, for example, they sell maximum 15 and only new. There's no eBay sold for any used. The crew neck t-shirts, they basically go average of 10, so unless you get it for like £1, it's fine. The polo shirts, they sell okay for me, and they sell up to 15 quid. So again, if they're cheap, that's fine. The hoodies only sell around an average of 20, so it depends what you can pick it up at. The work jackets, they sell at an average of 40, but they're slow. The jeans are slow. The Polo Bear t-shirts, they actually sell a lot, but the price isn't great, so it depends again what you get it for. And the cable knits, again, if you can get it fairly decent, it's not too bad in profit. But the quarter zips, they fly out at that price, and they're really fast. So if you can get those, you know, at like 5-10 quid, you know you're going to make some good profit. But if you can ever see Harrington jackets, rugby shirts, chore jackets, corduroy jackets, if you can find any of them for like a decent price, they're the things I want to be picking up. So what I'll do now that I've got all this ready is, for example, I'll look on Vinted and I'll look at Harrington jackets, or I'll look at corduroy jackets. And let's say someone doesn't really know the price of it, and they've priced a corduroy jacket at, say, 30 quid. I might pick it up and then list it for, say, 130 or 120, and there's really good profit in it. So this is what I'm going to do most days, like when I got some time. Today's Ralph Lauren, and I've kind of done it. I was going to do it over a whole week, but I just got it all done because I haven't got anything else to do today. But then tomorrow I'll do, for example, Barber, and then figure out what to pick up from there. Even Nike, because you see Nike everywhere, but it really depends on what's actually good and what's not. Like, it might show for it. Like, I've done really well with some random, like, I had an electric t-shirt with this mad pattern on it, and it flew out. I had this pink, mad, colourful print. So just really colourful, crazy tops. If you can get them, I'll get them. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing, just to, so I can learn, get more knowledge, so that I can be as good as I can be, and try and beat other people. I want to win as quick as possible. So that's the end of this one, gang. Me and the dog are having a night of chills because we're all alone, aren't we? Hey? So thank you again for watching. I'll see you tomorrow on the next one. And yeah, if you can like, subscribe, do all those good bits, and I'll see you tomorrow.